Hey, this is Kyle, and you're watching highlights from the Amazon Delivery Photo Critique, a live stream breakdown of your Amazon delivery photos. Join us every Monday on twitch.tv as we discuss basic photography techniques and ideas that'll help improve your skills. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, thanks for watching and enjoy the clips. Shout out to Alex for sending this. He's been looking forward to showing up on a highlight clip. Today's your day, man. Today's your day. So the lighting, it's so nice. It's so soft. It's beautiful. Look at this porch. It's got this tree here. You know what? I'm gonna be my own little Santa Claus, and I'm gonna put this package right under that tree. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Don't forget to renew your Prime subscription. Why do I like the shoe print? They put their mark on the image. You could tell it's with their left foot. So if we're playing this out, probably stepped, made that his lead foot, bent down, just like the Magi, laid the package down. Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. I'm good with either. Brings a smile to your face. Probably has cookies in his hands because that's what you do on Christmas. You just eat cookies for no reason. He's probably got Charlie Brown playing. I'm just setting the scene and it's beautiful. Really stage it up. This one is different. We can see everything. We can see the yard. We can see that tree over here. Some might say we're seeing too much of this house. Word of advice to the Amazon driver that took this, maybe get a little closer. They probably didn't think this was going to show up on the internet. Now it is. So you need to sharpen up. Get your act together. Let's get better photos taken. For me, it just feels like I'm part of the scene. It just misses the rule of thirds. Now, if you've joined us in the past, we have talked extensively about the rule of thirds. What this does is split the image into thirds. So we have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, and then 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. If I was to shoot this, I would put the box in the middle so everything's just parallel, perpendicular, all those math terms. If you ever find yourself taking a photo and then saying, play with the crop. This image it's different. It's different than the other, obviously. This one has shoes in it, so that right there makes it different. They almost act as an arrow pointing to the package. A leading line is something within the image that's pointing you to the thing that you want the viewer to look at. Singing Penny in the chat says, would the leg of the chair be considered a leading line? I was gonna get to that. Let's just say we followed this line, this edge here, all the way through, takes me off the image. What brings me back into the image? The arm of the chair. Now, what do I not like about this image? The general misuse of the rule of thirds. It's close. It's just so close. It hurts my heart. Let's get nutty. Let's make it a square. Now, as you can see, everything is on the third. It's really that easy. Cropping can save an image 80% of the time. Sure.